Hello everyone, I love you so much. You are together with teacher Sengimana Daniel. Today we are going to see some words in English and I will give you their meaning in our mother tongue, Ikinyarwanda. Thank you very much. So you are welcome. When I say a word, you will repeat it as this magic baby is saying. Good. Now you are welcome. Salt. Umunyu. Pencil. Ikaramu y'igiti. Butter. Amavuta y'inka. Bag. Agakapu. Happiness. Ibyishimo. Book. Igitabo. Air. Umwuka. Come. Gusokoza. Plate. Isahani. Tea. Icyayi. Coffee. Ikawa. Toothbrush. Uburoso bwoza amenyo. Cup. Igikombe. Shoe. Urukweto. Milk. Amata. Vegetable. Imboga. Day. Umunsi. House. Inzu. Flower. Ururabyo. Rice. Umuceri. Beans. Ibishyimbo. Water. Amazi. Wheat. Ingano. Maize. Ibigori. Peas. Amashaza. Millet. Uburo. Chalk. Ingwa. Notebook. Igitabo. Pen. Ikaramu. Blackboard. Ikibaho. Teacher. Umwigisha cyangwa umwarimu. Pupils. Abanyeshuri. Head teacher. Umuyobozi w'ikigo. Doctor. Umuganga. Hospital. Ibitaro. Environment. Ibidukikije. God. Imana. Thing. Ikintu. Life. Ubuzima. Create. Guhanga cyangwa gushyiraho cyangwa kurema. Example. Urugero. People. Abantu. Animals. Inyamaswa. Mountains. Imisozi. Bird. Inyoni. River. Umugezi. Lake. Ikiyaga. Soil. Ubutaka. Car. Imodoka. House. Inzu. Water tap. Robine cyangwa ivomero aho bavoma. Village. Umudugudu. Cell. Akagari. Sector. Umurenge. District. Akarere. Province. Intara. Country. Igihugu. Stones. Amabuye. Sand. Umucanga. Security. Umutekano. Education. Uburezi. Policeman. Umupolisi. Stranger. Umunyamahanga. Flower. Ururabyo. Trees. Ibiti. Garden. Ubusitani. Fruits. Imbuto. Banana. Igitoki cyangwa umuneke. Orange. Ironji. Egg. Igi. Mango. Umuhembe. Beans. Ibishyimbo. Address. Ikanzu. Axe. Ishoka. Desk. Intebe or chair. Nawe bisobanura intebe. Bell. Inzogera. A taxi driver. Umushoferi utwara itagisi. A box. Agakarito. A bus. Imodoka ya bisi. A pot. Akabindi. A stick. Inkoni. A wheel. Ipine. A picture. Ishusho. A fish. Ifi. A television.
A television.
Television. A radio.
A radio.
Radio. A computer.
A computer.
Mudasobwa. A flash disk.
A flash disk.
Bayita flash. To count.
To count.
Kubara. Thank you very much for your repetition. I think that you get knowledge about these words. See you next time. You together, teacher Sengiman Daniel. Thank you very much. I think that wherever you are, you have enjoyed this video. I thank you very much. I encourage you to subscribe, like, and share to your friends. To know English and Kinyarwanda is possible. Thank you. See you next time.